What's up? What's good? It's your boy Zillionaire. Welcome to the show. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Now let's get to these court proceedings that went on today. Now a whole lot of new findings was going on in this court case that ties Patrick Stallworth to the crimes. Too much. It's like overwhelming evidence against Patrick Stallworth. But Patrick Stallworth is saying that his girlfriend, Derek Brown, is solely responsible for the kidnapping of Kamille, which I don't believe. I believe they're both involved. Now, Patrick Stallworth was seen all over video surveillance. He was trying to pick up two other girls from school. They were like 11 years old, and he told these 11-year-old girls, "I'm looking for girls like you," which was in the witness statement, and the girls identified his car, okay? Not only that, trapezoid, let me make sure I say this right, trazodone was found in KAMILLE Cupcake's system. Patrick Stallworth has a prescription for trazodone, okay? All right, he's also seen on surveillance going to the store near the apartment complex and everything else. And he's just on surveillance all over the neighborhood at that same exact time. Not only that, kids testified, and also a 10-year-old boy said that Kamille got into that same car with him crying. Okay, they said Kamille got into that car with them crying. This is what Detective Jonathan Ross, this is his findings, this is his discovery. That's why they had the warrant and had overwhelming evidence to arrest him and his girlfriend, because they were seen in the car, in the SUV, riding around, trying to pick up little girls, going to the convenience store. He also has a prescription for trazodone, and she had meth in her system. Your boy Patrick Stallworth has a prescription for trazodone, okay? It all ties to Patrick Stallworth. Now, this is the other part of it, okay? This is what happened in court. Now, the other part of it is where Dominic is trying to say that Vito paid them to kidnap Cupcake. That's what I'm trying to get people to understand. People not understanding the entire story. Patrick Stallworth and his girlfriend, Derek Brown, they're trying to say that Vito paid them to have Cupcake kidnapped. This is what Dominic is trying to say. That's why Dominic got on live, and Dominic said out of his own mouth, he said that him and his homeboy Nolan, they know Patrick Stallworth. He's trying to say that Vito was in connection with Patrick Stallworth. I'm glad I have people on Zillionaire Nation that have good understanding and can understand and comprehend cases and understand what is what and who is who when it's being broken down. Because some people don't. Okay? Some people don't. Once again, it's overwhelming evidence against Patrick Stallworth. Patrick Stallworth is trying to accuse Derek Brown, which is bullcrap. They're both involved in this, okay? Now, Patrick Stallworth, I'm just doing a review on everything. Patrick Stallworth has a prescription for trazodone. Trazodone was found in KAMILLE Cupcake's system. They have him on surveillance trying to pick up 11-year-old girls from near school. Okay, they were getting out of school, cheerleaders or something like that. He was trying to pick them up. He was at the convenience store nearby where the party was at. So they were all in the area around the same time. Now, Dominic is trying to say that Vito is in connection with Stallworth. That's why Dominic is trying to say that Vito had something to do with his daughter's death. And that's what made Vito go off, because from the beginning, Dominic has said Vito is the one that orchestrated his daughter's kidnapping or whatever. All right, I hope y'all got that. I hope you understand that. I'm your boy Zillionaire, but these were the court proceedings. They also said that Cupcake's family members from both sides were in the courtroom, and this is how the court proceedings went down. So it's overwhelming evidence on Patrick Stallworth. We know he's involved. Him and his girlfriend, Derek Brown, they're involved, and she also has a history of kidnapping. She kidnapped her own kids. So, you know, it's disgusting how this man also had that porn, that weirdo kitty porn in his phone, and he's trying to pick up little girls, and he's kidnapping children. This is sickening, Patrick Stallworth, a sick guy. But I see that when money's involved, he'll probably kidnap anybody, okay? I'm your boy Zillionaire. This is what went down in court today. This was the preliminary hearing, and I'm out of here.